Maharishi Markandeshwar University operates 3 campuses for higher education in India. Today we will focus on the Maulana Ambala campus in Haryana, which has received a 4.2 star rating from students on Shiksha.com. How are the BHMCT courses here? Let's find out in this detailed college review, starting with the 4.9 rated placements. According to the NIRF 2024 report, 972 students graduated from the 4-year UG program in 2022-23. Of these, 588 students secured placements, while 75 students opted for higher studies. Students report that top recruiters included Taj, Oberoi, Radisson, ITC, Hayat, Deloitte, KPMG, EY, SGFC Bank and Reliance visit the campus. Top roles offered include hotel manager, F&B manager, event coordinator, guest relations executive, front officer manager, business analyst, marketing executive, financial analyst, HR executive and operations manager. The highest package reported is around 8 to 9 lakh per annum, while the median package as per the NIRF report stood at 3.12 lakh per annum in 2023, a 30% increase from 2021. Compared to KR Mangalam University, MMDU needs to catch up in terms of median packages offered. Regarding internships, several students secure on-campus opportunities with prominent hotel chains such as Leela, Radisson, Taj and Hilton. Moving on now to academics, so MMDU offers a 4-year Bachelor of Hotel Management and Catering Technology program rated 4.9 out of 5 stars by students, along with a 5-year integrated BHMCT and MBA program. Admissions require a minimum of 50% in 10+2 with English as a compulsory subject, and selection is based on merit. The tuition fees for the program is 53,000 rupees and a 7% annual increase. Meanwhile, scholarships are available based on academic performance, and Haryana students can avail a 15% tuition fee waiver under the Girl Child Sponsorship Scheme. Moving on now to the 4.9 rated infrastructure. The university's sprawling 150-acre campus in Maulana is well connected by various modes of transportation. The campus offers advanced infrastructure including spacious, technology-enabled classrooms and specialized facilities such as a bakery, confectionery and hospitality labs for hands-on training. Students have access to comprehensive library, campus-wide Wi-Fi and comfortable hostels that provide nutritious meals. Sports enthusiasts benefit from facilities for cricket, football and more, while medical care is readily available through MMU Hospital, which offers discounts on medicine and tests. Additionally, the campus provides amenities such as on-campus shopping, banking and transportation services. Turning to the 5-star rated faculty and course. Students appreciate the supportive faculty and their innovative teaching methods, which includes case studies to enhance learning. The program focuses on hospitality training, operations and management, and research and consultancy. Students benefit from specialized kitchens and hospitality labs, covering essential skills such as cooking techniques, knife skills, cocktail preparation, guest handling, and meal planning. Additionally, the university supports entrepreneurship through its Business Incubation Center and the Campus Business Park, offering infrastructure and resources to aspiring entrepreneurs. Moving on now to the 3.9 rated campus life. It features over 15 student-run clubs catering to diverse interests. Regular industry visits, workshops, webinars, seminars, and conferences further enhance student experience. The highlight of the year is the annual Mega Youth Festival, that is Universum, which is eagerly anticipated by all. Finally, in terms of rankings, the institution is positioned in the 101 to 150 range in the overall category, the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on Maharishi Markandeshwar University and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.